In this video, we are going to see how to build a frequency tables by using an Excel file in which we have recorded all your answers in the survey that we conducted the other day. First of all, we see that we have the Excel, the questions that we propose, how old are you, what is your gender, etc., together with the answers. We have that for a large amount of individuals, and we don't want to have that information in a long list. So what we do, we basically build a frequency table in which, first of all, we select the full set of information by just clicking the Shift mayúsculas key and then selecting the full amount of information with the mouse. Once that we go to Insert menu and so we want to include a dynamic table. We click here and then, well, we agree that this is the range of information that we want to use, and we say that we want to use a new sheet to display that dynamic table. We say OK, and as you can see, we have the left-hand side panel where we are reporting the dynamic table. Well, in order to display better this information, I make it to the left, okay? And now we see that we have information like how old are you, what is your gender. So these are all variables that we have in the previous sheet where we have these variables. These were the labels, and then next we have the information. What we do next is, well, first in the row option, we simply click the alternative how old are you, and next at the values we display another one. Any option is valid. This one is valid as well. We move that into values. Okay. Sadly, this is my face in there, so it's difficult. So what I'm doing is just well, I'm using this. I move it, what is your gender, or how old are you, and I move it to values. As you can see, now we have the count of how many individuals were in every category. As you can see, the categories that we are facing are 18, 19, 20, and 21 and older. So we have here the list of individuals. We are going to place that. I just select right hand copy and then paste just the values, and then we just have xi, ni. This is the total. Okay, we can place it that way with a bar, just trying to stress that we have a table with all the categories we want to analyze. We have the accumulated, relative, and accumulated relative columns, and we see, for instance, we have 50 individuals with age equal to 18, but we have 50 plus 14, which are in total 64, which are age 19 and below, and the same applies for 64 plus 2 and 66 plus 4, in total, of course, 70. We can also do the analysis in relative terms. 50 individuals over 70 people. Of course, this is cell B12 over B16, and we put some dollars just to say that we want to make the same kind of division all the time. We right click and you say we want to copy. We want to be this until here, and right click and we say we want to copy the formula, just the formula. Okay. Finally, we simply make the proportion, and we do that, and we copy everything now. Of course, we have not this, and for instance, we have 66 over 70, which of course is exactly the same, and this 94 exactly the same as 91 plus 3, which is 94. And this is the way we can simply build a frequency table by using the dynamics tables in Excel. That's it.